Hello everyone, I'm Tawatumbi Salam. I'm so excited to share with you one of the Manipuri authentic dishes that is called the Eromba. It is a popular Manipuri chutney that will take your dishes to the next level this Christmas. Try this simple Eromba recipe this Christmas. Enjoy with your friends and family. Merry Christmas!